Hello everyone. Today we're going to go through some international stocks, especially in China, to see how it works and how it performs since the beginning of this year. Let's look at the libraries and the symbols first. As we can see, we will have a general stocks such as the Alibaba, Jingdong, Pinduoduo, and the others, such also as the BIDU. All these are very heavily traded stocks. We can also room in the electric vehicles, finance, renewable energy sector, and education sector, and others. Well, let's look at the function for downloading the data from Yahoo Finance as well as plot the candle charts. First, let's input the date as well as some of the criteria like standard deviation of the return and then the returns since the beginning of the year. Since the stocks are plummeting or dropping since the beginning of the year, we put in minus 50%, as so we can see all the stocks being plotted. As we can see, it's downloading the data slightly slower and this money. We will see very quickly, hopefully. Well, we're going to check from the beginning. This is Alibaba. We can see the trend. In February, it has the peak, and then gradually slowing down. Actually, if you take a look at the all the stocks, the trend has very similar. There are some fluctuations, but the February, beginning of the February, it has a peak. Then the rest of the time until now, it is downtrending. Let's take a quick look at the returns table. As we can see, most the stocks have a downtrending, and some of them negative returns this year. Let's right into the EV. So as we can see, it's downtrending quite dramatically. The reason maybe stocks itself or the company itself, or there's a cycle or the shifting, or simply they had a great year last year, 2020. So sometimes it's not very straightforward to see what's the real reason behind this plummeting trend. But for these financials, well, the returns is still very high. For the solar stocks, let's take a quick look. A similar trend, February peak, and here it's a fluctuating, but the downtrend is for sure, as we can see, has more than 40% drop. Education stocks, the first one still downtrending. Most of the stocks, it's heavily beaten this year. And some of the other stocks, maybe you're interested, like cosmetics or the other as we can see, the overall trend is downward. Maybe it is a good time to buy, but because of the, as I mentioned, they had a great year last year, and also due to the geopolitical reasons, it will be cautious to buy the stocks. But if you do see an opportunity somewhere, you can room in. Maybe the reward is still very high. See you next time.